functional kitchen is essential for any household, whether you're an avid cook or just need a space to prepare quick meals. A well-designed kitchen can help you save time, increase productivity, and make cooking more enjoyable. In this article, we'll share some tips and tricks to make your kitchen more functional. Declutter and organize. The first step to making your kitchen more functional is to declutter and organize. Remove any unnecessary items from your counters, cabinets, and drawers. You can use storage containers to keep your food and kitchen utensils organized. Make sure to label everything to avoid confusion. Maximize your counter space. Your kitchen counter is one of the most important areas in your kitchen. Make the most of this space by keeping it clean and clutter-free. Use a cutting board to protect your counter and keep it clean. You can also install floating shelves or a pegboard to store frequently used items. Invest in quality appliances. Investing in quality appliances can save you time and energy in the long run. Look for appliances that are energy efficient and have multiple functions. For example, a convection oven can cook food faster and more evenly than a traditional oven. Use a Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susan is a rotating tray that can be used to store items in your cabinets. This is a great way to keep your spices, oils, and other frequently used items within easy reach. You can also use a Lazy Susan in your fridge to keep condiments and other small items organized. Install pull-out shelves. Pull-out shelves are a great way to maximize your cabinet space. They allow you to easily access items in the back of your cabinets without having to reach and bend over. You can install pull-out shelves in your pantry, lower cabinets, or even in your fridge. Use drawer organizers. Drawer organizers can help you keep your utensils, gadgets, and other kitchen tools organized. They make it easy to find what you need and prevent items from getting tangled up. You can use dividers to separate your utensils or trays to keep your gadgets in place. Create a cooking zone. Creating a cooking zone can help you save time and be more efficient in the kitchen. Designate an area for prepping, cooking, and cleaning. Keep your knives, cutting board, and other tools in this area to avoid having to search for them when you need them. Use vertical space. Vertical space is often overlooked in the kitchen. Use wall-mounted shelves or hooks to store your pots, pans, and other kitchen tools. You can also use a magnetic strip to keep your knives within easy reach. Install task lighting. Good lighting is essential in the kitchen, especially when it comes to preparing food. Install task lighting under your cabinets to illuminate your workspace. You can also use pendant lights or a chandelier to add ambiance to your kitchen. Keep your kitchen clean. Finally, keeping your kitchen clean is essential for a functional kitchen. Clean up spills and messes as soon as they happen. Wipe down your counters and surfaces regularly. A clean kitchen will not only look better, but it will also be more hygienic. In conclusion, making your kitchen more functional doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a little organization, some smart storage solutions, and a few design tweaks, you can create a kitchen that works for you.